a car model comes in 9 colors, with or without air conditioning, with or without a sunroof, with or without automatic transmission, and with or without anti-lock brakes. In how many ways can the car be ordered with regard to these options? So we have 9 different colors. Now it says that the car can come with or without air conditioning. So that is a binary choice, meaning it's either going to come with it or it's not. So that is times 2. And the same for the sunroof. And the same for the automatic transmission. And the same for anti-lock brakes. So anytime it's a yes or no, a with or without choice, it's always 2. So 9 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 144.